Welcome to Ganithalay. Now I would like to discuss about the area of the triangle, which are very important in the topics of a locus. Okay, so let's start the class. Consider a triangle ABC. Suppose for the triangle ABC, first I am going to take the 3 points in a plane. 3 points. Suppose A, this one B, this one is C. Okay. Now joining these 3 points, here we get a triangle name is ABC. That means we can joining A and B, next B and C, next is C and A. We get a triangle. The name is ABC, where ABC is the triangle. Triangle ABC. Here in this triangle, the vertices means the first of all they are the points. We know that the points in the plane are denoted by the ordered pair. So I have taken the first coordinate x1 comma y1, second coordinate x2 y2, third one is x3 y3. Sorry, the first point can be taken as x1 y1, second point is x2 y2, third point is x3 y3. Now we are going to find the area of the triangle. To find the area of the triangle, we know that the area of the triangle formula is half into base into height. When you should use that formula, half into base into height formula will be used when the base and altitude will be given. We can use the half into base into height formula, but in this section there is not given the base and altitude. So here what will be given here? The vertices of the triangle will be given. Now I am going to write the formula for vertices of the triangle will be given. Then how can you write the area of the triangle? Okay, in 10th class section already we know that the area of the triangle, ABC, whose vertices are. So what are the vertices here? Whose vertices are A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3 is equal to, is the formula is equal to half into, already we know that x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. We know that this is the formula. In the 10th class section we used this formula to find the area of the triangle, but some more formulas are also there, the similar to this formula. Okay, now I am going to discuss about the remaining formulas, or these formula also written in the form of area of triangle. Triangle ABC is equal to half into modulus of. So what are the vertices of the triangle here? Capital A, capital B, capital C. That means here the triangle vertices are A, B and C. So in these 3 points we have to write the first x coordinates. So what are the x coordinates? x1, x2, x3. After that all completed, if you complete the all x coordinates, then you can also write the first coordinate. The same process in second row you can write y1, y2, y3, y1. That means they are the second coordinates of each point. So after writing this formula, you can substitute their values and you can simplifying like that by producting, like cross multiplying. So when the downward arrow mark will come, you can put the positive value. Upward arrow mark will come, you can write the negative value. Okay, like that you can simplifying. And one more formula, this is the third formula. This is the very easiest way to find the area of the triangle. So mostly I have preferred to use the area of the formula is this formula, that is area of triangle ABC is equal to half into, Here also you can use the points. What are the points here? Vertices A, B, C. So here A, B, C, 3 points are there, the vertices. So out of these 3 points you can fix one of the point. So I am going to fix the one of the point C. C point I am going to fix here. Now the remaining 2 points are A and B. In these 2 points you can write the first x coordinates x1, x2. In the same way, second row y1, y2 you should write. So you already here fixed third point. What is that? x3 comma y3. Here the x3, x coordinate of the point C is x3. That can be subtracting from x coordinate, and the same process y coordinate will be subtracted in the y coordinate. Now you will get the same formula. Okay, this is so finally if you substituted the x values and simplifying, finally you can do the cross multiplication. Like that you will get the answer. Okay, the same process, downward arrow mark will come, you can write negative positive value. Upward arrow mark will come, you can write the negative value. Okay, this is the procedure to find the area of the triangle. Mostly you can use this third formula to find the area of the triangle. Okay, let's start the problems on this formula. Okay, look at here, the problem will be given here. Capital A comma capital B are 2 points. If P is a point, forms a triangle of area 9 square unit with AB, then find the locus of P. So once check the given problem, the points are A 5, 3, B 3 minus 2. Now the area of the triangle is 9 square unit. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the problem, how to find the area of how to find this problem. Okay, so first of all read the given sum. What are the given here? Capital A and capital B are the 2 points will be given. First you have to write these 2 points. Given that capital A 5, 3, capital B 3 minus 2 will be given here. Next one, if P is a point, form a triangle of area 9 square units with AB, then find the locus of P. Now we are going to find the equation of locus of the point P. So that's why we can take, let the point P coordinates will be x1 comma y1 be the point on the locus. Point on the locus. Okay, now here given condition, if P is a point, form a triangle of area 9 with the points A and B. That means the point P forms the remaining 2 points AB, a triangle ABC, PAB. Okay, now given that the point P forms together the 3 points, 2 points AB, a triangle. Given that the triangle PAB of area is equal to how much? 9 square units will be given. So by the definition of the area of the triangle formula, you can write half into, so PAB, here P points means coordinates of the vertices PAB. Now you can write x1 minus x3, x2 minus x3, y1 minus y3, y2 minus y3 is equal to how much? 9 will be given. This is the our given formula. Next one, here we can going to substitute here half. Look at here, simply you can substitute here. The triangle name is PAB. Out of these 3 points, what is the last point? B. B means this one. You can fix this point here. What is that point? B. B point can be fixed. Now remaining 2 points are PA. The first point is P, second point is A. First point is P, second point is A. Okay, now you can substitute here P point, coordinates are x1, here y1. Next remaining point, what is that? A point. A point means A point coordinates are 5. You can write here 3. So now I have left some point. What is that? B point. So in these B points, the x coordinates will be removed from the x coordinates. That means subtracted from the x coordinate. Y coordinate, what is that? -2. That can be subtracted from the y coordinate. That is minus of -2. So that means, okay, now you can get this one. So now we can simplifying here. Here, bring out the 1 by 2 from the left side to right side. Here 1 by 2 is multiplied on the left hand side. You can bring out to right hand side, it will be producted. That means here modulus of x1 minus 3, next one 5 minus 3 2, here y1 plus 2, minus of minus plus 2, 3 minus of minus 2 plus 2, 3 plus 2 5 is equal to, here 9 into, bring out the 1 by 2 from the left side, you can get 2 by 1. So here you have to write x1 minus 3 2 y1 plus 2 5 is equal to 9 2s are 18. Here doing cross multiplication like that. So 5 into x1 minus 3. Now by going to upward, you can put negative value, that is 2 into y1 plus 2. Okay, modulus is equal to 18. So finally multiplying by 5, you can get 5x1 minus 15. By multiplying minus 2 answer, minus 2y1 minus 4 is equal to 18. So simplifying like terms, 5x1, first you have to write the x1 value, next y1, next finally minus 19 is equal to 18. Next removing modulus value. Okay, if you removing the modulus value, you can get either of the side is plus or minus. Okay, I have taken plus or minus 8. Next one, here 5x1 minus 2y1, this is y1, minus 19. First of all, you can take plus 18, and second one 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 19 is equal to minus 18. So finally you can get, this is the answer. So final step, you can write the equation of the locus of P. So before going to write the equation of the locus of P, you have to write here. The final step is, you can simplifying here, 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 19, bring out minus plus 18 to right to left is equal 0, and one more equation is 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 19, here plus 18 is equal to 0. So now simplifying these two, 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 37 is equal to 0 is, this is equation of 1. Next one more is 5x1 minus 2y1 minus 1 is equal to 0. They are the simplification of the two equations. Now finally you can write the equation of locus of P. Locus of P is, you can multiplying these two equations. So how do you multiplying these two equations? By left hand to left hand and right hand to right hand. So left hand side this one in the first equation, second equation left hand side this one is equal to 0. Okay, so finally you can, removing the suffix values, you can get 5x minus 2y minus 37 into 5x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the our required answer. Okay, that is the answer. So if you product these two ones, you will get the final answer. Okay, out of these two ones, you can write any one of the answer. Okay, thank you. This is the area of the triangle, one of the most important problem on the locus concept. Okay, So look at the problem here. Okay, let's go to the another problem. Okay, have a look on this problem. So look at the problem given here. The points are capital A 2 comma 3, capital B are minus 3 comma 4 are 2 points. With these 2 points here, P is a point, says that it forms a triangle of area 8.5 square units. Okay, this is the given sum here. So now first we have to write the what are the given here. Given that the points A 2 3, B minus 3 4, they are the 2 points. One more point will be given here, P, let that is a point on the locus, that's why we have to take P x1 comma y1 be a point on the locus. So here given that the area of triangle PAB is given is equal to 8.5 square units, that will be given. So we have a formula, that is x1 minus x3 y1 x2 minus x3 y1 minus y3 y2 minus y3, that is the formula on the left hand side. Now right hand side will be 8.5 will be there, we can write this one. So in this one you can write here half into modulus of. So here the first point is P, second point is A, third point is B. You can fix the point B first of all. Now the remaining points P and A, in these 2 points you can write P point x coordinate and A point x coordinate. What is that? 2. The same process here y1, here A point y coordinate 3. Now already you have fixed one point. What is that name? B point. So in B point the x coordinate is subtracted from the first row and y coordinate 4, that will be subtracted from the second row. That means x coordinates are removed from the x coordinates and y coordinates are removed from the y coordinate, and is equal to right hand side 8.5 is there. Now bring out 1 by 2 value from left hand side to right hand side. It will be get 8.5 into 2 by 1. So in the modulus value we can simplify x1 plus 3, 2 minus of minus 3 5. Next y1 minus 4, here minus 1 will be get. So 8.5 into 2 by 1, this is the answer here. Now you can simplifying like that. So minus 1 into x1 plus 3, next minus upward direction, so 5 into y1 minus 4, so modulus is equal to 8.5 into 2, answer will be 17.0. okay, 17.0. Now here simplifying here, minus x1 minus 3 minus 5y1 plus 20 is equal to 17. Now simplifying like terms here, minus x1 minus 5y1 plus 20 minus 3 plus 17 is equal to 17. So after simplifying you can removing the modulus value, you will get either of the side is plus or minus. I am taking plus or minus on right hand side. After removing the modulus value, then you can take separating the equations. First equation plus 17 and second equation will be minus 17, that is minus x1 minus 5y1 plus 17 is equal to minus 17. Okay, so this is the before problem. So this is our continuation problem. Here first one, simplifying here, plus 17 and minus 7 plus 17 cancel. Now minus x1 minus 5y1 is equal to 0, and one more is minus x1 minus 5y1. Here plus 17, bring out the right hand side answer to left hand side, plus 17 is equal to 0. Now minus x1 minus 5y1 is equal to 0, and minus x1 minus 5y1 plus 34 is equal to 0. Now every equation will be starting with the positive value, that's why I am going to multiplying by negative answer here. So the signs of every term will be changed. In this equation also, x1 plus 5y1 plus minus 34 is equal to 0. So finally you can write the equation of the locus of P. Locus of P is, so you can remove the suffix values, x plus 5y into x plus 5y minus 34 is equal to 0, or you can producting these two products, you can get the one more answer. Okay, if you're multiplying these two values, you can get this answer. Okay, they are the, these two questions are the very important of the mathematical locus concept, which are using the area of the triangle. Okay, that is. Okay, look at here, the problems are, okay, I am going to give some worked problems. Okay, practice these one more problem. Okay, they are the very important problems. By using these two problems, you can do this problem. Okay, thank you.